Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to list an auction on eBay. So in order to list an auction on eBay, firstly open any of the web browser. At the top there's this address bar, type down ebay.com and enter it. And make sure you have already signed into your eBay account. And next is you need to click the sell account. Firstly you need to go to this my eBay here and you need to select this selling here. And over here, you need to enter the item you're selling or scan its barcode in the app. You need to follow the on-screen instruction. You can add a clear title, photos, a detailed description, the item's condition, or the shipping option. And under the pricing section, you can choose the auction instead of buy it now. And you can start adding a bid. The auction duration such as 3, 5, 7, or 10 days depending on what's available. Optional reserve price if offered in your region. And you can review the listing fees and details and click list them to publish your auction. And that is it. That's how you can list an auction on eBay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.